सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने एक बड़ा फैसला सुनाते हुए चुनावी बॉन्ड स्कीम को रद्द कर दिया है। इस फैसले को केंद्र की नरेंद्र मोदी सरकार के लिए झटका बताया जा रहा है, जिन्होंने साल 2018 में इसे लागू किया था। चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया डीवाई चंद्रचूड़ ने इसे संविधान के अनुच्छेद 19(1)(a) का उल्लंघन माना और इससे जुड़े सभी जानकारियों को वेबसाइट पर सार्वजनिक करने का आदेश दिया। चुनावी बॉन्ड स्कीम के खिलाफ कांग्रेस पार्टी की नेता जया ठाकुर, एडीआर या एसोसिएशन फॉर डेमोक्रेटिक रिफॉर्म्स और CPIM ने सुप्रीम कोर्ट में याचिका दायर की थी। अब जबकि सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने इसे अपने फैसले में असंवैधानिक करार दे दिया है, तो इसे लेकर याचिकाकर्ता बेहद खुश हैं। याचिकाकर्ताओं की ओर से इस केस को लड़ रहे सीनियर एडवोकेट प्रशांत भूषण ने भी सुप्रीम कोर्ट के फैसले पर खुशी जताई, तो वहीं CPIM के जनरल सेक्रेटरी सीताराम येचुरी ने भी इसे सत्य की जीत बताया है।
We welcome this. We are a petitioner, the only political party who had the locus standi to argue against the electoral bonds was the CPIM, because we are the only party that did not accept any electoral bonds as a matter of principle, because we consider the electoral bond scheme as the legalization of political corruption, and this had to be ended. In that sense, I think it is the judgment, though many tranches of electoral bonds have been released and many parties have got the money and bulk of it going to the ruling party, though that has happened, but it's nevertheless a welcome judgment to put an end to this, and also telling that by the verdict says that by March, who has got what and from whom, because there's an element of the possibility of a quid pro quo, which means deal making, and this has clearly exposed these governments all claims of fighting corruption. Apart from many other things, all the corrupt people from different parties are now joining the BJP, so that BJP has become a house of corrupt leaders from all across the political spectrum. But in any case, I think that this judgment is a welcome development, and the exposure is necessary.
But Supreme Court is that permitting unlimited political contribution by companies are arbitrary and unconstitutional.
Correct, absolutely correct. We welcome this aspect also, because when that amendment was moved in the Parliament, I was a member of Parliament then, and I remember we had a very heated argument with the then Finance Minister, the late Mr. Arun Jaitley, saying that you're opening up the way for money laundering. How earlier it was that corporates can only donate a certain percentage of their profits, not beyond. You now made it unlimited. Once you make it unlimited, and it also had the earlier clause that 3 years of profits have to be made, only then after that the corporate can donate. Now instead of that, that was also removed, which the Supreme Court has now reversed. Now if that, because of that, shell companies were opened, black money was laundered, brought in as white money and donated to the political party. Now this sort of money laundering also was made possible.